Are your iPhone notifications not showing up or delayed? Missing important alerts can be very frustrating, but I've got the solution for you. In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot and fix notification issue on your iPhone step by step. Let's get right into it. Step 1 is to check Do Not Disturb and Focus Mode. Notification might be silenced if Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is enabled. Swipe down to open the control center and check if any focus mode are active. Step 2 is to verify notification setting. Make sure notifications are enabled for the affected app. Go to the Settings app and go to Notifications. Tap on the specific app and ensure Allow Notification is toggled on. Check the lock screen, Notification Center and banners are enabled. The next step is to restart your iPhone. A restart can fix temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. The next step is to check app-specific notification settings. Some apps have their own notification settings. Open the app in question and check its notification preference. Make sure notifications are enabled within the app. The next step is to check internet connection. Some notifications rely on an active internet connection. Ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have cellular data turned on. You can test your connection by opening a browser or streaming a video. Next step is to update or reinstall the app. An outdated app may cause notification issues. Check for updates in the App Store. If that doesn't work, delete the app and reinstall it. The next step is to update your iOS. System bugs can interfere with notification. Go to the setting, then General, then go to Software Updates and download any updates available. Another step is to check background app refresh. Ensure the app can run in the background to receive notification. Go to Settings, then General, then select Background App Refresh and enable it for the app. The next step is to reset all settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset and reset all settings. This will reset system preference but keep your app and data intact. If notification is still not working, it could be a deeper software or hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. And that's how you fix notification issues on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for tuning in and I will see you next time. Bye bye.